Roads here, and today I am back with another video. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, but I don't know what happened to me. It's just, my voice is weird, so yeah, that's fine. My name is Ella, and that's a cat named Shadow. I think you know both of these things. I don't think she wants us to call her that. Yay, ride to the finish. Okay, so today we're just going to train a bit. I forgot to tell you people that. And don't worry if I'm using the trailer a lot. I get that it adds up after a while, but, like, I need to use the trailer all the time because, like, first of all, I've got a bunch of coins to use up. I would never spend a bunch of star coins on the trailer. Like, right now I have 4 star coins, so I might, like, maybe go, okay, I don't want to spend my Yorvik shillings right now. I just want to spend 2 star coins to get somewhere. And then another 2 star coins, but probably not, because, like, guys, I'm talking, we almost have 9,000 star coins. I'll actually show you right now and try not to die. There we go. Yeah. Road 8,000. Let's jump. And yeah, after this, whoa, that was close. After I finish this race, I'm going to be able to go up a level. So, I'm sorry, I was watching one of my previous videos, and it sucked. Especially on, like, the race I did. And, yeah, because I was clicking W and scrolling forward, it made a horrible sound. And then I tried a long jump, and I can't do that. That was close. There we go. Ah, dang it, we needed 40. 40 or under.
Who's that?
That's somebody who, yeah.
She has a mustache. Oh no, that's just the pause button.
Yeah, okay, wait. My horse is up to level 10. You saw it. It said your horse has gone up a level. I need to trailer back to Nimmerland's Highland because I'm lazy. So, what's new? No, but literally, like, Nimmerland's Highland is a good gallop away. Okay, there's the gate. I like to jump over any obstacle I can. You'll see me, like, galloping from Moorland to Fort Pinta, and it's like, I jump over so many things, it's funny. Now we need to slow down because I just remembered something. Fort Pinta. Oh, that just goes into the Golden Fields. I forgot. I unlocked something a while ago, and then I never looked at it, and since then, I've been really curious.
Are you talking to yourself?
No, I'm talking to YouTube. No, I'm talking to YouTube. Jump. Wow, that was great. There it is. Good. I knew I would find it if I looked around. I went away. Come back. Okay, Nimmerland Highland. There it is. Pay was 200 shillings.
It's not working.
Okay, well, let me see it. So I was trying to do it to help you. What happens when you press the...
It just turns off.
Can you slide a little bit off?
Okay, we're back. We were trailing. Whoopsies, I almost just ran off a cliff again. My daily life.
Wait, if I just download Starlighter with that...
This.
Stop shadow. No uppercases? No space.
I don't think so.
You don't read that?
No. Because I've done it so many times that, like, I know what it's telling me to do. Yeah, but with any quest, I don't read through it. I just go to the end, and then it'll tell me what I really need to do, because the actual people who write a script for you, they put in a lot of detail that you don't need to know. But I just go to the end, and then there'll be a big block, and it'll tell me how much experience I'll get, and how much your showings I'll get, and horse XP and stuff like that. And then at the top, it'll tell me what to do. Like, ride to Everwind Fields and herd up the sheep and bring them back. That's an example, but I never did that quest.
Right. If this happened to you, Kaya, they just logged off and you couldn't play.
That would be sad days.
But if it is Star, if you download Star Rider, would it be any different?
No. Okay. Now we need to long gallop places called Moorland, which aren't too far away. But then we really have to long gallop to the Everwind Fields. That's like far away. I know I'm gonna die and smash into things. I know I'm gonna die and smash into that thing.
Yeah, go back to Old Moorland.
I need to. I need to train. It's something that I need to do.
For Old
What
Moorland.
about, can you do it on iPad?
No.
No, Star Stable is in
Computer game.
a computer game.
Doesn't work.
Yeah, it does. I had it before.
Yeah, I would be helping you guys right now,
But she doesn't have an Apple.
I don't have an Apple, so I really don't know what's going on with that computer. Like, I don't really like Apple entirely, the way it works. Okay, soar, boy, soar. And everybody, like, when I group somebody, everybody's always asking me, like, why aren't you riding your maxed out horse? Why aren't you riding your maxed out horse? And I'm like, because if there was a pop-up quest that all of us wanted to do, I don't want to do it on this horse. I want to do it.
Well, you know what, we're gonna have breakfast and then you guys can do something else. You can go outside.
Okay.
I'm gonna go make some crepes. Okay?
Okay, done.
Alright, kiddo?
Yeah, I always do the Bobcat racetrack.
You arrested the Bobcat racetrack?
Isn't like
Ah,
year-old stables again?
Kinda. It's just kinda old. And plus, I come here every day, so like, it's not like I never come here. I can't wait until I unlock the barrel racing, because like, if you go to my second channel, which I'll write in the description, you'll see my other horse, and he is a Western horse. I'm a Western rider, and it's really fun because my picture is a picture of him when I was getting him tacked up for my last lesson. Well, not my last lesson ever there, but my last lesson for the year, because I don't ride in winter. So it's been a while. I've tried to get, like, a time where me and him could, like, meet. I could possibly just groom him off or something, but it hasn't worked out. Okay, there we go. So yeah, you got to, sorry, you guys got to watch me train, so that was fun. X! Whoa. Okay, I clicked X too soon. I was trying not to click X too late, and then I clicked X too soon. Hello, Loretta. Yes, I can ride your wild bobcat track, because that's what I do. I think we're gonna go and do the Everwind race, like, last. See, that's the opposite of a shortcut. That's what you call not a shortcut. Get it? Got it. Good. Oh yeah, good old Wish Brother is still... Occasionally I'll take him out and do a race or two, but not usually, not often, like maybe once a week I do that. And then the icy horse, like the icy horse is going to be waiting for a while before I ride her. Because I kind of just got her to be nice and in my stable. Because I really wanted her. Because eventually, if I ever do my own club, I might have a day where I'm like, you know what, it's boring. It's boring. Did I just miss a checkpoint? Zombie attack. No! Has begun. Yeah, so that was... I don't even remember what I was talking about a second ago, but yeah. Sorry. Write in the comments below. Yeet. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this training adventure. I did not do too much training on camera, but hey, at least I did some. Ah, don't bang into a fence, wish brother.
That's not much fun.
I mean, sorry, good point, Firestorm. Don't bang into a fence, Onyx Magic. No, I hate this. Okay, 34 seconds. Get along. In. Well, we're not getting that gold place that I really wanted. Unless I can make Wish Brother lift off of the ground. Onyx Magic, I'm so sorry. You've got to understand, guys, like, I rode Wish Brother for like 2 seasons. Or maybe even 3. 3 seasons, and that's a long time to continue saying Wish Brother. So now that I'm riding Onyx Magic, which I have only been riding him for about 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or 4 weeks, maybe actually 4 weeks, it's kind of like, oh. So I hope I have enough star coins to get that pony by the time I'm done training the icy horse. Write in the comments below. I'm not actually sure. Don't write this, but I'm not actually sure if something happened where Ella's mind just stopped focusing. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go to Silverglade Menor, because we're going to do that special race. And maybe I'll have time to do it on camera, because I'm going to get Wish Brother, Onyx Magic to gallop really quickly. So yeah, write it in the comments below if, I was asking you guys a question like 2.5 seconds ago. So like, write it in the comments below the answer to my question. So yeah, are you clicking the like button yet? Because I think you gotta do it soon, or else I'm just gonna, sit here for a long time, and then I'm gonna smash into a pole, which is fun, and then I'm gonna gallop as fast as I can on Wish Brother, and get all the way over here towards the race. I showed somebody a new race yesterday, and what is this person? Okay, never mind. I thought that was an actual person, just kind of ditching their horse in, like, a really bad place. Ah, don't bang into a pole. Come on. Oh, there we go. Hello, security guard. You're a bad security guard. I got right through. So, yeah, the video might pause while I'm racing, but I hope it doesn't. I don't think it will. Here it goes. Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's gonna pause while I'm racing. I'm sorry, people. It's a known fact. Yeah, certainly it's gonna pause while I'm racing. I'm sorry. See you guys next time. Bye!